Chapter 1. Fundamentals of Chemistry. What do you know about history of matter? History of matter is spread on many eras. Ancient Greek philosophers believed that everything was made of an elemental substance. Some believed that substance to be water, others thought it was air. Some other believed that there were 4 elemental substances. As 19th century began, John Dalton proposed an atomic theory. Atomic theory led to rapid progress in chemistry. Discovery in 20th century led to picture of an atom with a complex internal structure. What was the concept of Empedocles and Plato? An ancient Greek philosopher, Empedocles thought that all materials are made up of 4 things called element, for example, 1. Earth, 2. Air, 3. Water, 4. Fire. Plato adopted Empedocles' theory and coined the term element to describe these 4 substances. What was the idea of Aristotle? Aristotle's successor of Plato also adopted the concept of 4 elements. Aristotle introduced the idea that elements can be differentiated on the basis of properties such as hot versus cold and wet versus dry. Example, heating clay in oven could be thought of as driving of water and adding fire, transforming clay into pot. Similarly, water, cold and amp, wet, falls from the sky as rain, when air, hot and amp, wet, cools down. The Greek concept of 4 elements existed for more than 2,000 years. What is contribution of Archimedes in determining purity of a substance? Archimedes was a Greek philosopher and mathematician and inventor of many war machines. Greek emperor gave him the task to determine whether his crown was made of pure gold or impure gold. Archimedes took the task and started thinking on it. He knew that the volume of an object determines the volume of the liquid it displaces when submerged in the liquid. Experiment. One day when he was taking bath, he observed that more water overflowed the bath tank as he sank deeper into water. He also noticed that he felt weightless as he submerged deeper in the bath tank. From these observations he concluded that the loss in weight is equal to the weight of water overflowed. Thinking this, he at once designed an experiment in his mind to check the purity of crown. He thought he should weigh the crown and equal weight of the pure gold. Both should be dipped in water in separate containers, since every substance has different mass to volume ratio. If the crown was made of pure gold, it would displace same weight of water as an equal weight of pure gold. If the crown is impure, it would displace different mass of water than the pure gold. Thinking this, he was so excited that he ran from the bath shouting "Eureka!" which means "I have found it." 1.1 Chemistry and branches of chemistry. 1.1.1 Differentiation between branches of chemistry. Dalton's atomic theory. Molecularity of the physical world. Define chemistry and discuss its branches. The science that examines the materials of the universe and the changes that these materials undergo. The word chemistry is derived from chem, which is the ancient name of Egypt, and the word chem was probably given to chemistry due to black color of soil of Egypt. The science of chemia flourished in early civilizations of Egypt and Greece. The Arabs named it alchemia in their own language, and in English it alchemy. Later on, by the advancements made in this science, led the name to chemistry. Branches of chemistry. The study of chemistry is commonly divided into 8 major branches. 1. Physical chemistry. The branch of chemistry that deals with laws and theories to understand the structure and changes of matter is called physical chemistry. 2. Organic chemistry. The branch of chemistry that deals with substances containing carbon is called organic chemistry. However, some carbon compounds such as CO2, CO, carbides, carbonates and bicarbonates are studied in inorganic chemistry. 3. Inorganic chemistry. The branch of chemistry that deals with elements and their compounds except organic compounds is called inorganic chemistry. 4. Biochemistry. The branch of chemistry that deals with physical and chemical changes that occur in living organisms is called biochemistry. 5. Industrial chemistry. The branch of chemistry that deals with the methods and use of technology in the large-scale production of useful substances is called industrial chemistry. 6. Nuclear chemistry. The branch of chemistry that deals with the changes that occur in atomic nuclei is called nuclear chemistry. 7. Environmental chemistry. The branch of chemistry that deals with the chemicals and toxic substances that pollute the environment and their adverse effects on human beings is called environmental chemistry. 8. Analytical chemistry. The branch of chemistry that deals with methods and instruments for determining the composition of matter is called analytical chemistry.